Have you ever wondered what you are really made of? If you zoomed into any cells in your body, you would find tiny powerhouses called proteins. They are so fundamental to life that the word protein actually comes from a Greek word meaning first. So, what are they? Think of them like incredibly complex machines built from smaller parts called amino acids. There are 20 main amino acids, and by arranging them in different orders, our bodies can create over 100,000 different proteins, each with a unique job. Plants are amazing. They can make all the amino acids they need. We humans can't. The ones we can't make are called essential amino acids, and we have to get them from our food. When you eat something with protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, then rebuild them into new protein that you need. This process is called protein synthesis. And the jobs these proteins do are mind-blowing. Some are enzymes that speed up chemical reactions, like digesting your food or repairing your DNA. Others are hormones, like insulin, which manages your blood sugar. You have protein that act as bodyguard, defending you from viruses and bacteria. Then there are transport proteins like hemoglobin, which carry oxygen all around your body. Structural protein like collagen give your skin and bones their strength. And contractile proteins are what make your muscles move. That's why eating enough protein is so crucial. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are packed with them. Plant-based sources like beans and rice or lentils and wheat can also provide all the essential amino acids when combined. Not getting enough protein can weaken your immune system, reduce muscle strength, and slow down growth. Now, now here is where it gets really exciting. In just the last few years, technology has revolutionized how we understand proteins. AI programs like AlphaFold 3 can now predict the complex 3D shape of a protein in minutes, a task that used to take scientists years. This is massive game changer. This breakthrough is speeding up drug discovery, helping us understand diseases on a molecular level, and even allowing us to design brand new proteins that don't exist in nature. Imagine custom-made enzymes that can break down plastic waste or antibodies specifically designed to target cancer cells. We are entering an era of protein engineering. Scientists can now program tiny organisms like bacteria to produce life-saving proteins like insulin and vaccines. We have moved from just studying the building blocks of life to actively designing and improving them. It's an incredible time for science, and it's all thanks to these amazing little molecules called proteins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science.